Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect amigurumi legs. We'll cover two main techniques to ensure your creations stand strong and look fantastic. First, gather your finished leg pieces, your main body, a yarn needle and matching yarn. Proper preparation is key to a seamless join, so make sure all your pieces are stuffed and ready. Let's dive into making your amigurumi complete and adorable. One popular method is to crochet the legs directly onto the body. This creates a very sturdy and seamless connection. Begin by positioning your first leg where you want it, often at the front or side. Use a single crochet stitch to join it to the body, working through both the leg and body stitches. Repeat this for the second leg, ensuring they are evenly spaced, perhaps with 8 to 10 stitches between them for balance. Another excellent way to attach legs is by sewing them on. This method offers great control over placement and can be very neat. Position each leg precisely where you want it on the body. Using a yarn needle and matching yarn, sew around the top edge of the leg, attaching it firmly to the body. A whip stitch or mattress stitch works wonderfully here. Make sure to pull your stitches snug for a secure and lasting hold. Once your legs are attached, take a moment to adjust their position. You can gently manipulate them to achieve the perfect pose for your amigurumi. Ensure all yarn ends are woven in securely using your yarn needle. This prevents any unraveling and gives a professional finish. With these techniques, your amigurumi will have strong, well-placed legs, ready to stand or sit proudly. Happy crocheting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.